right, the theme around today's coaching book recommendations is about technology. So I've got 3 books for you today. The first one is Disrupting Class by Christensen, Horn, and Johnson. And so this book, it's called Disrupting Class. The idea is that disruption is something that causes change, something that leads to change. This book is all about how we have lots of research and education about things that we could do better, but we're not using it. We're not doing it. Technology has come about. We're putting computers in classrooms. We're not really changing our practices, and we're not using some of the research that's available for us. Like, we continue with same old practices without implementing some different changes. So Disrupting Class is really an excellent read to challenge your thinking about just how we're teaching and how education works. The follow-up to this book is Blended by Clayton Christensen and Michael Horn. Oh, sorry, the introduction is by Clayton Christensen. The author is Michael B. Horn. And so this one is really, it says on the cover, a field guide to disrupting class. So everything that you read about in Disrupting Class, this is how to make blended learning happen. Like all the steps and processes and things that you have to consider for blended learning is in this book. The last one is kind of a different one, but it is the Hyperdoc Handbook. And this one, several authors, this one is about how to create digital lessons. I don't know if you're familiar with Hyperdocs or not, but it really is kind of a how-to guide for how to do that. It's got some information. There we go. And so you can see examples of things. I will say, I don't remember the year exactly this book was published, but it has been several years. There are several updates in the world of technology that will have come across since then, but just some practical ideas to generate just thoughts for how you could incorporate Hyperdocs differently into classrooms, more self-paced opportunities for students for learning. So the 3 books for today are all about technology: Disrupting Class, Blended, and the Hyperdoc Handbook. I hope you guys can check these out and let me know what you think.